Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Lacroix, and we're going to practice the sounds of the alphabet that we have learned in our grade 2 classes. Here we go. A says a, ah. B says b, b, like we're bouncing a ball. C says k, s, like an angry cat. D says d, 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 like we're drumming on a drum. E says e, like we're having a sneeze. F is a breath sound we make when we put our teeth on our lip and we say f, f. G is like the grumpy gorilla that says g, j, g, j. H is another breath sound that says I says I, e. J says j, like you're carrying a jug. K says k, 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 karate kick. L says lick the lollipop. M says mmm. N says mmm. The sounds for the O start with our mouth making a big O and end with our mouths making a lowercase o, just like this. Ah, o, oo. Ah, o, oo. P says p, 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 like popcorn. Now we know that in the English language we do not see Q by itself. It's married to the U, and together they say quack, quack, quack. R says S says s, just like an electric eel. S, s. T says t, 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 just like the ticking on a clock. U says U, ooh, I like doing the V sound. It says W makes a ghost sound. If you like Star Wars, you like the X sound. It's the sound of two lightsabers clashing together. Kss, kss. Y says y, I, e. And finally the Z. The Z says Z. Now, boys and girls, make sure you practice your sounds of the alphabet and you will become a most excellent reader and writer, especially when you're sounding out your words. See you later.